Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer PEPE coin from Trust Wallet to Binance. First of all, we need an address, so go to Binance, go ahead to Wallets, and go ahead and find PEPE coin, click on it. Now you want to click Deposit. Now choose a network, Ethereum, and now you will get your address here. Now you want to copy the address and go to Trust Wallet. Now once you are on Trust Wallet, you want to go ahead, for example, on search and search for PEPE coin. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of options, but we need to choose the one which is with Ethereum network and with that. So basically, this is the first one. You want to make sure that it's Ethereum network and it's the same coin. Now you want to go ahead and click send. Now you're going to enter the address and the amount you want to go ahead and send. And once you will click next, you will be able to send it to your Binance. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.